parents, it's Miss Gonzalez, and I'm making this really short video to kind of just intro you to the homework layout for this week. This week you'll be choosing 3 assignments at least from this tic-tac-toe board, any way you would do tic-tac-toe. The most important thing is that you and your child are reading for 20 minutes each night. We also have 2 different websites that we're going to be using, Spelling City and Symbaloo. So I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about Spelling City. So Spelling City looks like this, and I have a bunch of lists down here, but all we're going to worry about this week is the spelling words right here at the top. And your child either got 8 words assigned, 10 words, or 12 words. So whatever list that your child got, they come and do the games link right here. All of these games are free, and I like them a lot. So let me know what you think about them, what your child thinks about them. You also got a handwriting page in your homework packet this week as one of the options. In the future, the handwriting will be located on Spelling City, and if you and your child choose this option, you come to this page and you print out the paper with his or her spelling words on it. And the next website is Symbaloo. And Symbaloo is just going to house all of the different links to the different games that we will be adding to this coming school year. So right now you have 3 different options for a couple grammar games. This one is on ABCia. Just a quick reminder that ABCia only works on computers, not on mobile devices. So that's the ABCia game. And that is all I have for you. So if you have any questions, please contact me or Miss Durham, and we'll be more than happy to answer any homework questions. Also, we're going to start transitioning to paperless homework, so your child will receive the homework tic-tac-toe board along with the spelling words, but all of the little activities will be included in the links on email or in Canvas. So if you would like to request a paper packet to be sent home, please communicate that to your child's teacher. And that is all I have for you. Thanks for watching.